Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating these paper orbs, and I'll be showing you step by step on how to create your very own. These are very easy to make with any theme of your choice. Let's go ahead and get started. For this project you will need paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, tape, or glue. So the entire working space should be 10.5 inches, and then we're going to add another half right here for a total of 11 inches. We'll be creating 3 strips 2 inches wide each on one single sheet of paper. So each strip will be 2 inches. The first section is going to be 1 1/4 inches in length. So go ahead and make your dot or mark at 1 1/4 inches. The next section is 2 3/4 inches. From here to this point, 2 3/4 inches. That will be for your arch. The next section is 2.5 inches. And that begins the next section of the arch, which is again 2 3/4 inches. Every arch is the same distance in length, and every arch is 3/4 of an inch in depth. The highest point of each arch is all 3/4 of an inch. From the end of this arch to the end of the paper, it's 1 1/4 of an inch. All right, now that you know all the measurements, go ahead and pause the video and get your sheet measured out just like this. When we come back, I'll show you the next steps. Okay, now that you have all your measurements done, we're going to need to score the paper with something blunt, such as the tip of the pencil that's not so sharp, or maybe even the tip of a pen. Again, you don't want to cut through the paper, just score it. I happen to have an embossing tool with me that has 2 ends. One is thinner than the other, and it simply has this little ball at the end, so it won't cut through the paper. I'll be using this tool to make the score lines on my paper. To make the score line, I simply take the tool and press hard over the drawing of the arches. You'll want to repeat this for every arch. This will allow you to crease the paper later. After all your arches are scored, then you want to go ahead and take the scissors and cut the strips. Great, now that you have all your pieces cut out, it is time to decorate them. I turned them upside down to have a clean working surface. I'll be using markers and a little bit of glitter. You can use any color and design that you would like to make. I'm going to be using this blue color here. To protect my area from any bleeding from the marker, I'm going to go ahead and put another piece of paper under my work paper. And I'm going to start simply making lines within the arch. You can use your favorite color to create your own. Let me know in the comments what you ended up using. Go ahead and create your own designs in each arch. Alternate line thickness and vary the style so that it'll have a lot of interest. After I finish the arches, then I go ahead and design inside the white area. You can use a different color for this. I'm going to go ahead and stick to the blue to see how it comes out. Okay, so we're pretty much done here, and now we're just going to go ahead and put some glitter on top of this. So I'm going to use my glue stick, and then we're going to sprinkle it on. Sprinkle it on. Once you have finished decorating all your 3 strips, now it's time to put them together. The first thing you want to do is fold the area of the creases so that this becomes easier later. Then you'll want to add some tape. So double-sided tape, masking tape, clear tape, any kind of tape will work as long as you put it on the underside with the sticky side facing towards the decorated side. And you'll put it together like this. Go ahead and place it on the table. And you'll do the same thing to the next one. Now this second one, you'll put it inside the first one, but in a perpendicular manner, so that they kind of crisscross. Now the last one's a little more tricky. So you do put tape on this one, just like the other two, but this one you're going to weave through the top and across the outside of the first one, and again weave it through the bottom of the second one, and then go ahead and tape it together. So you have the seams here, and then you want to hide the seams by turning the paper in towards the inside of the hidden spot. So this seam will go in here. Can be a little tricky. There we go. That one gave me a little bit of trouble. And here's my last seam, so I'm going to go ahead and tuck this one away in here. Now you want to make sure that 3 corners of the arches touch each other and come together at a point there. That's when you know everything's aligned, and now you just simply press these together. Just like that, very easy. And look at that. And now it's time to have fun with them. You can twirl them or simply just enjoy the way they look. I tried to juggle them even. I had a lot of fun with them. Hope you enjoy yours. If you make one of these, leave me a picture in the comments. I'd love to see your creations. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun art. Thank you so much for watching and allowing me to show you how to make these paper orbs.